Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about our address file from fabric order type and outline each step you need to take to place a successful order. With the address file from fabric feature, users now have the option to create an address list from viable BDC locations. You can place an order as a bundle with BDC availability data at a discount, or place one via the orders menu as its own entity. For the Orders menu option, you'll need to select Orders, New Orders, Address File from Fabric Data. Before you can place an order, you'll need to make sure you've uploaded a valid fabric file. Without a valid fabric file, you won't be able to place an order and the system will not allow you to move forward. For the file to be valid, it would need to be a CostQuest CSV zipped to an archive. Once you've uploaded your fabric file, you can select your map or maps and then pay for and process your order. If you want to place the order as a bundle, you'll have to do it through the FCC orders process. You'll receive both your orders in one zip archive, and the address file will be given at a discounted price when you opt for the bundled format. Simply navigate to the FCC tab inside Tower Coverage, select FCC Orders, Continue or Start New. Next, you'll select Just Ordering Files, choose whether or not you want the certification for your availability data order, and select BDC Availability with Address File to proceed with the bundle. Once that's complete, you can select your map or maps, and then pay for and process your order. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.